back to the battle for the big break. Last week, napabilip niya si Judge Louie O. Bago daw kasi yung tunog ng pambato ng Pangasinan. Tignan naman natin kung ano flavor ng music ang may o-offer niya ngayon. Here's a protege of mentor Joey G, the urban pop girl, Samantha.
Someone like my protege can nail this competition. At kahit na malayo ako sa kanya ngayon, alam kong kayang-kanyang pataubin yung mga kalaban. Here's my urban pop girl, Samantha.
Ang song ng aking kababayan na kakantahin ko ngayong linggo ay Someone Like You ni Adele.
Kailangan mo yung power na isa may sumisigaw kang bigla. I-try mo yan.
Kahit malayo po si Sir Joey, confident po ako na sa performance ko, magiging proud siya sa akin. That you settled down, that you found a girl that you married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave away and didn't give to you. Oh, friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I'd hope you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Oh, never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'll beg. I remember you said sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah.
Tito Joey, mukhang napapapikit pa kayo mula kanina sa kanta ni Samantha. Ano ba ang kahulugan?
Talagang pinapakinggan namin mabuti. Alam mo, so far, tatlo pa lang nagpe-perform. No? Nag-agree kaming tatlo na mas magagaling sila so far, last week. Dahil alam nila walang matatanggal pa eh. Ngayon, dahil may matatanggal, kaya medyo may tension. Pero out of the three, sa tingin ko, ikaw ang pinaka-konti pang kaba sa tatlo. Mukhang okay. Tatlo pa lang naman yan eh. So far, medyo okay. Okay, Samantha.
Narinig yan. So far, okay. Vote for Samantha by texting protege space Samantha and send to 367 or 2344. At sa ngayon naman, makikita ulit natin yung live ranking sa screens natin. Tingnan natin kung sino nangunguna. Lovely pa rin ang number 1, followed by Kenneth and of course Samantha on the 3rd spot. Ayan, eto na.